Hold on. Go ahead.
Hey, this is Eric from Tools in Action. We're here with the new M12 Jigsaw. We're going to go ahead and show it to you. Cut through a little bit countertop. A couple of things we wanted to mention too. It does bevel. Variable speed trigger. It's going to have a lock on there.
LED light.
Yeah, LED light. And as you can see, definitely a low profile.
How's it feel in your hand, Eric?
It's good. It's got good balance. It's nice because when you're working on it, you're nice and close to the work. Nice and close. So you get maneuvers very well.
2,800 strokes per minute, I think he said.
I believe so. Not 100% positive.
Cool. So it's easy to control.
Yep. Definitely. It's even got the fuel gauge on there.
All right, let me try it.
But it's nice. It's fun.
It's nice. What?
Oh.
Talk about it. I like it. It's kind of like a barrel nose. It's got good control on it.
Quite a bit.
It's pretty cool, man. I like it.
Yeah, I do too. So, are you still recording?
I'm just going to turn it off now.
So if you want to see more of this, you can go to MilwaukeeTools.com. Don't forget to check out toolsinaction.com. This will be available in October 2011.